Harriet and Richard are back inside now. I'm almost done reading over today's notes. Here's a bonus catwalk video. Check it out, please. Come on, Harriet, let's go. Let's go find your brother. It's time to study and then go to bed. Just read my notes from today. And then time to go to sleep. Harriet's leading the way. I think she knows where Richard is. Well, I found Mr. Richie boy. I gotta stop leaving the door cracked open, the porch door. 'Cause both cats were inside like an hour ago, but I left it cracked too much and they got out. And now I gotta round them up for bed. But they like that. They get a little extra time outside. I hear Harriet. There she is. I don't know why it's so much darker here than normal. Those lights are all off in the parking spaces. Maybe that's... But it seems like it's even darker than just that. There's Richard. Come on, cats. Come on, cats. Let's go. Yeah, doing this video with the flash on works better while it's so dark. See, here it is without the flash. That's how dark it is tonight. I can't even see Harriet, but I think she's coming. Good boy, Richie. We'll go inside. We'll get treats. Then we'll study and then go to bed. Come on. Come on, Richie, let's go. It's time to go inside, buddy.